Welcome to our tutorial about 2D solids. To activate this tool, type solid and press enter. AutoCAD prompts us for the first point, and then a second point. Okay, not much seems to be happening yet. We are prompted to specify a third point now, however. This should be on top of point number 1. Last point, number 4. And here's our 2D solid. The tool remains active. We can specify a third and fourth point. And here is a second 2D solid. To exit the tool, press Escape. In order for this 2D solid to fill, the fill mode needs to be set to 1. Same thing for hatches and wide polylines. Let's create a hatch. Now close the hatch editor. Let's create a polyline now. And right-click and enter to close the tool. Okay, let's activate the hatch command, apply it to our rectangle. Close the hatch editor. I'd canceled out by accident the first time I placed the hatch. Okay, let's select the polyline now. Expand the Properties panel. Global width. Let's enter a value of 3 units and press enter. Let's deselect everything. Now let's type in fill mode. Currently, we see in the command line that the value is 1, and this means that everything is filled automatically. I'm going to enter 0 and press enter. This is basically a glitch in AutoCAD, and hopefully AutoCAD will fix it with the next service pack. But when I select the 2D solid and drag it forward and back, the current fill mode does register. Once we edit by, let's say, adjusting a handle, the new fill mode does register. I expect this is something that'll be fixed by Autodesk developers sooner or later. Okay, let's restore the fill mode to 1. Right-click, Recent Input, Fill Mode, and change the entry to 1. Enter to register. Once again, in order for the change to register, I need to modify my existing entities. Now let's see what happens if we apply the points of our solid in the wrong order. Let's right-click and scroll to Recent Input, select Solid, first point, second point, point number 3 up here, and point number 4 over here. And as you see, we end up with a bow tie. Let's press Escape, select my solid, and I'll just simply drag with the mouse to adjust my points. These 2D solid objects we treat as any other AutoCAD objects. When I expand the Properties panel, I can modify a number of properties, such as color. This concludes our tutorial about working with 2D solids.